these cows, we give them food and we give them good clean water. So these are all brachial grass that we've planted, right? So basically they are on this grass grazing from morning till evening. And basically in the evening, what we'll do is we have some of this grass also dried and we'll be able to feed them in the evening. So throughout the night, they are also eating. And their health is important. What you need to do, first of all, deworming. Make sure that you're deworming them at least every 3 months.